What are the key risks to the bull case on Wynn? If you want to go over the bull case, I guess, yeah.
Yeah, I guess the bull case for Wynn is they have a new property opening up. These guys, Steve Wynn has been a terrific designer of hotels, and they usually open up very strong. And Wynn Palace, as a percent of the total Wynn company, is a very large increase, right? Mm-hmm. So you will get that step up in growth, assuming the property generates cash flow, which it should. Our issue is, usually heading into these openings, in the past you'd seen investor sentiment pretty good. Like people anticipate a good opening and then the stocks tend to trade off afterwards. Situation here, I think, is the reverse because everybody's worried about new supply. So I think the sentiment may be very bad heading into that opening. And then you run the risk of, if Wynn Palace, because Wynn is the best developer of casino hotels in the world, and has been for 30 years, if that doesn't grow the market, that's going to be a huge negative for the entire market. So, I think the market in general would like to see Wynn Palace do well and grow the market. We've had 2 openings in this, I guess, 3-year supply onslaught, which started in 15 and goes to 17. And the first 2 properties did not grow the market whatsoever and had a very negative impact on the stocks. Mm-hmm. So, our own belief is that Wynn will grow the market a little bit. It's not going to make same-store growth go up. You're not going to see it grow the market in excess of the supply it adds. Yeah. But I think any sequential type acceleration in growth because of Wynn might be a catalyst. So if we get a good definitive open date and sentiment's really bad heading into that opening, I wouldn't be surprised to see Hedgeye get a little more positive.
Sure. Okay. Next one here. What is your outlook for Las Vegas gaming? Would a recession improve or worsen prospects?
Gaming is highly cyclical. Very dependent on housing prices, believe it or not. So, if you looked at the 2000 kind of recession, casino revenue actually did quite well, but housing also did well. Mm-hmm. We've regressed all the macro variables, and housing prices come up number one, more so than unemployment, GDP, and this is all localized as well as national. So if we go into recession and it's not a housing-related recession, maybe Las Vegas does okay. Mm-hmm. But the reality is, usually you will see, people have to get to Las Vegas, they have to spend more. There's gaming as a percent of overall revenue is less than it's ever been. Mm-hmm. So it's all segments of Vegas are highly cyclical. So a recession will not be good for Las Vegas.